Here at Moojo Auto Spa, we go over and beyond for you while protecting your investment. So what we do is that we personalize every installation. So every pattern is personalized to fit the needs of the client. But not only that, we put our name on this installation. And we are not willing to sacrifice an installation or a pattern that has been done, you know, to a certain extent. We want to go over and beyond. So as you can see over here, we've extended quite a lot, like almost half an inch over to be able to wrap inside. Same thing inside the wheel well. We're going to be wrapping inside the fender over here. We've actually going to be extending over to the fender flare so that when we reinstall the fender flare, we're not seeing that cut line over here. Instead, when we put the fender flare back on, you're just going to see this beautiful seamless install. And it's the same thing over there. So we extend everywhere that we can. So we're going to be extending inside the door. Right here, there's a plastic piece that goes right here. We extend roughly about 1/4 of an inch over here so that this piece is getting hidden by the plastic trim right here. We are extending the A-pillars as well to go right at the bottom over here. So this is what you get when you do business with us here at Moojo Auto Spa. You always get a personalized installation to fit your needs, but at the same time, it respects our standards here at Moojo Auto Spa. If you have any questions regarding that, please communicate with us, 819-923-7671, or you can show up here at 150 Adrian Robert in Hull. We'll be more than happy to answer